Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover on YouTube Shorts. So first of all, open the YouTube app, then tap on the plus icon, tap on create a short, and to add a voiceover, first you have to add your videos or to record the videos that you would like to edit, then tap on the plus icon, and on this page you can make your last edits. And this is where you can also record the voiceover. So the voiceover icon is going to be on the bottom of the screen, right in the middle. Just tap on the voiceover icon, and on this page you can record your voiceovers. You can start from any part of the video. You can record just a small portion, or you can record the full voiceover for the whole video. You just have to select the place where you would like to start recording, and then you have to tap and hold on this icon, and it is going to record your voiceover and automatically synchronize it to the video. But let's try it. So this is how you record a voiceover. You just hold this button and it is going to add the sound to the video. Let's see how it sounds. So this is how you record a voiceover. You just hold this button and it is going to add the sound to the video. So that's pretty much it, how you can add a voiceover to your videos. You just have to, after you have finished, you just have to close this and you can publish your video like this. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.